Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Nancy Walsh and I am a realtor here in Charleston, South Carolina. And on this channel we talk about all things that have to do with real estate and the low country. So if any of those interest you, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Today I'm going to be turning it over to my husband Kevin Walsh, and he is going to share with you some ways to get along here in the South. So welcome, Kevin Walsh.
Hi there, I'm Kevin Walsh, and today I'm going to talk about how to speak Southern. This is a useful skill if you're going to be living in Charleston. One of the most famous Southern sayings is "bless your heart." You may hear it a lot, especially if you don't watch this video all the way through. While there are many churchgoers here, these folks are not wishing a blessing on you. It's their way of letting you know that you're not the brightest bulb in the pack. You will also want to familiarize yourself with the singular and plurals of the word you. I was once in a Winn-Dixie and asked the clerk, "Do you have any batteries?" Well, she checked her pockets and looked at me like I had 3 heads. Then I asked if y'all had any batteries. Well, she left her station open and escorted me to the middle of aisle 7 to help me pick them out. Now, y'all is not the plural of you. It's just you. Or, in the above case, that store that she represented. If you're addressing a group of people, the plural is all y'all. Now, let me tell you, if you had an idea of doing something better because it's the way you did it where you came from, well, that doggone home. In other words, keep that idea to yourself. You might also notice that some words many people believe have 2 vowels actually only have 1 here. If you hear someone yelling "far, far" in a crowded movie theater, get out quickly. They're actually saying fire. If you're at a gas station and someone asks you about all, well, they want oil. They might also be looking for new tires for their pickup truck. That's tires. If you're hungry, you need to find yourself a good old low country ball, or boil as you may know it. Conversely, there are also some words that people in other parts of the country think have 1 vowel that actually have 2. If someone asks you to sit in on the porch and have some sweet tea, they are speaking about their porch. Speaking of tea, there are 2 kinds, sweet and unsweet. Asking for iced tea is like wearing a sign that says Yankee on it. Now, if you're in town looking for a sporting event, you might ask them, "Where's the tournament?" This is a local slang for tournament. That was a tricky one for me. Now, a Coke is any kind of soda. Known elsewhere as sodas, pops, or soda pops. Now, some words just sound different, like umbrella, July, insurance, police. If someone asks you to mash the light, they're asking you to turn the light on or off, depending on its current condition. You can also mash the gas pedals, horns, or generators. In many parts of the country, you might find traffic circles or rotaries. Here, we call those roundabouts. Neighborhood streets might have speed humps instead of speed bumps. Just slow down, but keep moving. While we're on the subject of streets, local directions are based on how many red lights there are. I don't know what happens if it's green, and where the old Piggly Wiggly used to be. And some of the street names, Huger is pronounced Hugie. Legare is Legree. Barre is Barry. You might also need to find some places like the Gilliard, spelled Guilllard, or Beaufort, which is pronounced Beaufort in North Carolina. Daufuskie is Dufusky, which is a great kayaking destination. Tell you what, just keep an eye on your GPS and watch for turns. If you really just want to fit in when speaking to Southerners, just talk a little slower. Y'all have a great day, and thanks for watching.
Well, I hope you learned something today. And if you are looking and thinking about buying in the Charleston area, I would actually love to help you. So please give me a call or text. My number is 843-718-4285. You can always create your custom home search at findyourcharlestonareahome.com. I look forward to seeing you next time, and have a great day.